Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. Check which Google account Classroom is using and note the incorrect email. Once identified, back up any unsynced drafts or attachments to Google Drive or local storage so nothing is lost when you switch. Next, sign out of Classroom and close all Classroom tabs and other Google apps. This clears active sessions. Doing this prevents cross-account caching. Make sure you also remove saved passwords in the browser autofill if they force the wrong login. Now sign in correctly. Open an incognito or private browser window to avoid cached credentials and then go to Accounts. Google.com. Sign into the Google account you want linked to Classroom first. This primes the account as primary in the session. Once signed in, navigate to Classroom. Google.com and confirm the correct profile appears. If you must keep multiple accounts, use the account chooser to explicitly pick the desired email and pin that tab or browser. Finish the process by validating access. Go into Classroom settings and confirm your profile email is correct. Check your classes list and join codes. If classes remain tied to the wrong account, contact the teacher and request reinvite or removal of the incorrect email. Once done, remove the unwanted account from your device under Google Account Settings and clear site cookies to reset sessions. If problems continue, try a different browser or create a dedicated browser profile to isolate the correct Classroom account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.